Hello friends, welcome to my channel SY Learning and let's talk about my family, my siblings and my parents in today's lesson. My family. Let's see how many relations do we have in our family: father, mother, grandmother, baby, grandfather, sister, aunt, uncle and brother. Now let's see the word box: strong, loving, baby, smart, good, funny, happy, caring, kind, helpful and sweet. Now let's make sentences of the given words. My father works hard for our family. Number 2. My mother cooks tasty food every day. My brother plays cricket with me. My sister helps me with homework. My grandfather tells nice stories. My grandmother loves me very much. My uncle makes everyone laugh. My aunt gives me chocolate. The baby smiles all the time. My parents. Let's see the word box. Kind, drive, funny, clean, smart, teach, caring, shop, strong, helpful and cook. You can make sentences of these words. Next topic is my siblings. Now let's see the word box of my siblings. Watch, study, funny, play, smart, teach, caring, shop, strong, helpful and share. Make sentences of the given words. Like, share, subscribe my channel SY Learning. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.